nigga, we hit. Oh, no miss, nigga. We gon' hit, licks, hit, licks, hit, licks, hit, licks. Drop out that pack, guarantee it's a sale. You know it's all you can tell by the smell. OG in the kitchen, he playin' with the scale. Open the door for the junkies as well. We gon' hit, licks, hit, licks, hit, licks, hit, licks. This for the time I done fucked with my real. No food on the table, just.
Hey man, it's your first episode, man. Houstontastebuds, man. We live right here, Main Chicken. With the boss, man, T-Dot.
Hey, what's going on, y'all, man? We right here at Main Chicken. We out here at Main Chick, bro. You know, hot chicken. We on Westheimer, 1731 Westheimer, man. We out here slanging chicken and making everybody happy. You know what I'm saying? The lines stay packed, people stay full. We here to get it, man. You know what I'm saying? My Main Chick, hottest. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, okay, what the people do want to know, and I want to know, if you had to rate this chicken, man, out of 1 to 10, what would you rate it?
Honestly and truthfully, bro, it ain't even a scale that can rate this chicken, you dig? You know, it's what you like, to your taste, to your order. Best thing you'll get in the streets, man. Main Chick hot chicken, man. 1731 Westheimer, man. Watch out for the one that's coming up in the spring. Watch out for the one in Sugarland, man. Real soon.
So y'all expanding too?
Yes, sir. Real soon. And we got one coming in Dallas.
Oh,
and we got one coming in Dallas. So, hey, watch out for us, man. Main Chick hot chicken, man.
Hey,
get with it.
Y'all tap in, man. Main Chick hot chicken. I'm gonna check mine out. Hot as fuck. Stack
This for the time I done fucked with my real. No food on the table, just dope in the beef. They showed me no love when I didn't have no money. I got me some guala, now I'm the big speaker. I got the chicken, they wrapped up the plastic. They fresh out the fryer and ready for purchase. What a coincidence, we get the money. We hipping the people, community service. I know they watching the way that we moving. That's why we winning, and nigga, you lose. Don't pull in my yard if you didn't come aligned. Demand my respect by the way I be doing shit. Gon' hit, lit. Don't come with that fire, man, we serving them down. Don't spin with no G, you gon' win every time. Oh, we get it whole and bust it down. Talking good word, not stepped on. These little niggas get stepped on. Sipping on rock and we got it by the cake. A nigga want lean, I'ma take it every day. But this cup is expensive and you gotta pay. Fuck what they talking and fuck what they say. Don't play with my chocho, that is a no-no. I'll be sending them hitters your way. But we got it booming and we got it bumping. Look how them niggas always into something. Get to the money and that's round the clock. We really pumping, we lock down the block. Ass gon' hit, lit, hit, lit, hit, lit, lit. Drop out that pack, guarantee it's a sale. You know it's all you can tell by the smell. OG in the kitchen, he playin' with the scale. Open the door for the junkies as well.
Alright, man, we at the end of the show, man. This is one of the dopest events we done had, man. We right here at Central Houston, Main Chick, man. The food was amazing, man. Hey, y'all tap in next week. The host Nick D, co-host TSK. Y'all tap in next week, man, for another episode. Hold on, our food up right there.
Let's go, man.
You got us order, man.
Hot chicken, Main Chicken, man. Check it out. Hey, Sean,
tap in next week.
Licks, hit, licks, hit, licks, hit, licks. This for the time I done fucked with my real. No food on the table, just dope in the beef. They showed me no love when I didn't have no money. I got me some guala, now I'm the big speaker. I'm a hit.
Black, hey, video going down. Rock with the groove. Put down the left, nigga, down in the hood. I ain't doing no tripping, nigga, rolling in the street. I'm riding money, nigga, coming home. You gon' eat. Real talk shit, nigga, rolling real quick. I'm putting my clothes on, nigga, I'ma change the way I dress. Nigga, for the lady.